Hello everybody, welcome back to the Skyway Classics channel. Today we've got a beautiful 55 Chevy Bel Air. Absolutely gorgeous. Drives great, feels great. Black paint with a tan interior. Very pretty all over. Dash and everything, that clock, you can still hear it ticking. A beautiful, beautiful ride here. Pop open the hood. Or I'm sorry, the trunk. Spare there. Great condition on the trunk. Hop into the driver's side. Got the newer digital gauges there, but an awesome driver. All right, we'll go ahead, pop open the hood, take it for a spin, put on the hood. Very smooth, nice tight steering. But just a dream to drive. We're gonna go ahead and throw her up on the hoist. Check out that undercarriage.